Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how I use Flova to create cinematic scenes with AI. This isn't a masterclass, and I don't claim it's the only right way. I'm simply sharing my process, in case it helps someone start more easily. Today's tools allow us to explore ideas visually without major technical barriers. If you have imagination and curiosity, you can create film. Let's begin. Opening Flova. Here, everything happens through conversation. You describe an idea, and it returns images, video, and sound. I create a new project for this demo. I already have 2 images. The character, the rainy background, but keep in mind, if you don't have any visuals, you can ask Flova to create them for you. For example, create a man in a dark trench coat, cinematic noir style. Generate a rainy street with neon lights. I upload my images and clearly explain what I want. The character integrated naturally lighting that matches blue neon and amber street lamps' realistic reflections on the wet asphalt. A film noir atmosphere. I write the prompt and send it. The first version appears. If something looks cut out, I ask for refinement. Blend the edges better, add a bit of rain haze around the silhouette. After a quick refinement, the frame looks like a real film shot. Important in Flova, you're not limited to what the AI decides. You can manually regenerate any image or video, choosing exactly which model you want to use. For example, a more realistic one, a faster one, or one focused on consistency. You can also fine-tune every element directly. Colors, framing, animations, or transitions. It's not a frozen picture. It's a living workspace, and the storyboard can be modified at any time, without extra cost. Now I ask Flova to turn this frame into a short 6:10:10 sequence. Simple but important details. Gentle rain. Breathing light, a small movement of the umbrella and coat. One subtle breath from the character. We're not looking for flashy effects. We want cinematic realism. After a few minutes, the clip appears. It has the atmosphere I am after. Tense, quiet, full of story. Now I start the second scene, same starting frame, but with a small action and a voice. I write the prompt, closes the umbrella, takes 2 steps toward the camera. Calm, direct gaze. Short cinematic line. The chosen line, not all journeys begin in light. Some start in the rain. I use VO for animation and voice. The result, a short scene, but full of tone and intent, like the opening moment of a film.
Not all journeys begin in light. Some begin in rain. Walk with me.
Before rendering the final video, I ask Flova to also generate separate sound files. One for the character, dialogue, and one for the ambient background, rain, tension, subtle city noise. This helps later if I want to adjust voice levels or remix the atmosphere in DaVinci. Flova uses the selected model, in our case, VO3, and merges all layers into a final 6:10:10 cinematic moment. I can preview it, download the combined version, or if I want more control, download each component separately: video, sound, narration. Once all scenes are ready, there are 2 options. You can let Flova assemble everything automatically. It can combine the generated clips, voice, and sound into a finished video ready to download. Or, if you prefer more control, you can download each scene separately, along with the voice and background audio files, and edit them yourself in DaVinci Resolve or any similar software. In my case, I usually adjust scene timing, or refine background music balance. The dialogue and ambient sound apply light color grading and film grain for the cinematic touch when it's done. The result feels like a short film, not just an AI clip, but a crafted story with intention.
Not all journeys begin in light. Some begin in rain. Walk with me.
Now I ask a question that I think everyone should know the answer to. Flova, what models do you use for image and video generation, and when should each be used? Flova explains. Models for static images, text to image to images. Models for generating video from a single frame, first format video to DO models. For smooth interpolation between frames, fast via cinematic quality options. It's good to know this. Choosing the right model depends on rhythm, realism, and consistency. I ask one more thing. Are there any technical limitations we should be aware of? Resolution, motion, detail. Flova's response. Complex frames may need retrieves. Slow, Subtle motion looks the most realistic. Resolution affects both speed and quality. Consistency improves when reusing the same base image in short. Think cinematic, not special effects. And that's the demonstration. It's not magic, just curiosity, small steps, and dialogue with AI. If you want to start with Flova, experiment with simple scenes, play with lighting and composition, ask Flova questions. It's there to help. Build your story frame by frame. And if you want to go further, Flova can even create a full video from a single song. Give it the track, and it will build everything: rhythm, color, imagery, and atmosphere. It's an experience worth trying at least once. I just showed you how I work. Maybe it helps. And if you feel inspired, try it. Maybe your first scene will start the same way, in the rain, with a small idea full of potential. Good luck creating. Every dream begins with a single frame. What you build, what you imagine, becomes real the moment you dare to create. So, tell your story. The world is waiting to see it.